how to get boarding pass on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get boarding pass on Hawaii Airlines. So here is how to go about it. To get your boarding pass on Hawaii Airlines, the first thing is to carry out online check-in. And how do you do that? Log in into your account first of all, and then once you're logged into your own page, you can see the check-in tab. Click on check-in, enter in your confirmation code or ticket number, and then after entering that in, enter in your last name and then click on search. And then once your flight has been found, click on it and then check in. Then on the check-in page, you will see the option to select change or upgrade your seat. For do all of that if you want to. Then if you will be asked to pay fees for your checked bags, go ahead, pay the fees. Then after paying fees for your checked bag, you will see the option print boarding pass. All right, just click on it, and then after clicking on it, the boarding pass will be downloaded to your device, either your PC or your phone. And then once it has been downloaded, just go ahead, locate it in your phone settings, and then go ahead and print it out. All right, and then you must know that online checking is available 24 hours prior to your departure, to your flight's departure. Okay, let's see how it works. Just ensure you check in, and during the check-in process, you will see your boarding pass. Go ahead and download it, and then go ahead and print it out. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.